Hashim, Charmstone The Chronicles.
One day, a boy named Hashim went to the jungle early in the morning with his friends to play. They decided to play cricket, but since there were only 10 players, Hashim was made the umpire because he was not very good at playing cricket. The game started and everything was going fine. Suddenly, Hashim's brother Salim hit the ball so hard with the bat that no one could see where it went. The boy searched everywhere for the ball but could not find it. While searching, Hashim noticed a shining object falling from the sky into the field. It looked like a ball. The children were scared but curious. One of them threw a stone at it, and a button on the object got pressed. Instantly, a hologram of an alien appeared. The alien introduced himself as Christo and explained, "Contents 11 powerful stones that I created to help the people of my planet. However, my friend Disto became greedy and cruel. He wanted to steal the stones and attack me. I fled my planet with the stone to save them, but Disto attacked me again. I could not survive, so I sent the stone to Earth, hoping they would fall into the right hands." The ball then opened, revealing 10 stones. Each child took one stone, but Hashim was left without a stone. As they were trying to understand what had happened, one of the stone minions appeared. He threatened the kids, saying, "These stones belong to my master. Now hand them over, or you will all be destroyed." The children were frightened but discovered that each stone had granted them a unique Salim super speed, Sharik control over matter, Zubair power to control water, Tausif power over fire, Salim ability to control plants, Yusuf power of electricity, Arshul enhance strength and anger, Akram extreme running speed, Hamad invisibility and fog creation, Salman mind manipulation. Using their newfound powers, Salim quickly flew Zubair, Tausif and Salim to save. Meanwhile, the remaining boys used their abilities to fight alien minions. Salman hypnotized the minion and Yusuf and Arshul combined their powers to defeat him. Hashim watched all this, feeling left because he did not have a stone. However, he decided to keep the ball with him. Later that evening, all the boys gathered at Hashim's house and made a pact not to tell anyone about what happened. While they were talking, Hashim started tinkering with the ball. Suddenly, it fully opened, revealing an all-power stone. Everyone realized this stone had the combined powers of all the other stones. Hashim decided to keep it safe. Yusuf suggests they name the stones charm stones because of their bright glow. In the final scene, Disto is shown on his UFO ship looking at Earth. He says ominously, "The game is not over."